Okay, adventurers, now I have finally planted all 30 of the peppers, as you can clearly see. Hey adventurers, today I'll be showing you how to plant my pepper plants. Let's get started. Here we go. Alright everybody, so right now we're going to be planting our pepper plants. As you can clearly see, here's the spot that we're going to be planting them in. From here all the way there. But first of all, we need to get our gear to start planting the pepper plants. So here we go. Alright adventurers, now you can clearly see we got our two small shovels right here and the peppers behind them. So now it's time to start planting. Now, as you can clearly see, we have organized all the peppers where we want to put them. We have organized all the peppers, from habanero all the way to sweet peppers, as you can clearly see. Okay adventurers, now it's time to start planting. But before we start planting, I wanted to show you, you also need some topsoil and some fertilizer. So as you can clearly see, here's the topsoil that we're going to be putting with the plants. And here's our fertilizer that we're also going to be putting with our plants. Now it's time to start planting. Okay adventurers, now we're going to start planting. But first of all, I wanted to show you, we're planting this type of pepper, California Wonder Bell Pepper. As you can clearly see, we're going to put that right there. Second step is to grab your pepper, but you're going to place it down again. Now, you're going to grab your shovel, your small shovel, and you're going to dig a nice small hole, as you can clearly see right here, nice opening for the pepper. And then you want to bring some topsoil, as you can clearly see right here, and put it in the hole. Put it right there. And then you're going to grab your bell pepper again and take it out, as you can clearly see. And then you want to massage it a little bit, just like that. Now you open the roots for the bell pepper to grow. You're going to grab your fertilizer before you plant the bell pepper, and you want to sprinkle some in there, as you can clearly see. Mix it up, put some more. A little too much right there, so put it in the next hole. Nice. Here, put it right there. And you're just gonna plant it just like that. And that's how you plant a bell pepper. Okay adventurers, as you can clearly see now, we have planted a row of beautiful California Wonder Bell Peppers. Now I'm going to give you another example how to plant a different type of pepper. So here we go. Okay adventurers, now it's time to plant the Ring of the Fire chili pepper, as you can clearly see. This is the last example I'm going to be giving you. So here we go. So first off, you're going to take your pepper. Then you're going to take your shovel and you're going to dig a nice hole for the pepper, as you can clearly see. Now keep digging. Keep digging. Alright, when you got a nice hole like this one, as you can clearly see, you're going to bring some topsoil, as you can clearly see, nice topsoil in my hand, and drop it in there, just like massage it in there. Massage it in there, and then you're gonna bring some fertilizer, as you can see. Sprinkle some in there, as you can clearly see. Massage it in there also. Very nice, very quick. And then you're gonna grab your pepper, put it in the hole, and just slowly start bringing the dirt to it, as you can clearly see, just like that. You don't want to plant it over, and you don't want to plant it under, just right, as you can clearly see, just right there. And that's how you plant a Ring of the Fire chili pepper. Okay adventurers, now I have finally planted all 30 of the peppers, as you can clearly see, all the way from sweet, beautiful bell peppers all the way to hot, spicy habanero peppers. For the maintenance, I recommend just to fertilize them every 2 weeks with some normal fertilizer that you have laying around, and water them every single day. It's a must. And yeah, that's basically it, everybody. That's all the maintenance there is for peppers, and yeah. Okay, adventurers, we have finally made it to the end of the video. We have planted all our peppers, and that's basically it, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay tuned.